through in detail each little part. I'm going to take my diagram. There are two cell types that you need to be very, very aware of that we will talk about quite a lot. So we're going to look at the things that are the same. So now in both of them, so this is a plant cell here. It has a nucleus, and there is a term nucleus, and it looks like a sphere. They've chopped it out. So I've given you a 3D picture of it. You've got a nucleus there, and you've got a nucleus here. Okay? I want to talk about a nucleus first. Just let me make my pen a bit bigger. Now, the nucleus is the first thing on your list. So some people call it the control center of the cell. To me, it stores DNA. And DNA is what makes a cell that specific type of cell. It is what makes you you. In every one of your cells is the information, the genes, that makes you your height, your eye color, your bone density, your strength, your speed. It is all in there. All right. And every nucleus contains DNA that not only tells it what to do, but makes you you. All right. The other one, the nucleolus, the middle bit right there, the nucleolus in the middle of your nucleus, makes ribosomes. And I'm going to jump to ribosomes. These are really important. They're enzymes, and enzymes are like tiny machines that make proteins. And proteins are really important. Enzymes are little machines. You've probably never heard of that word before, so I'm going to type it up there. So enzymes carry out all your reactions through enzymes, and they're exceptionally important. Without them, you wouldn't be alive, you wouldn't be talking, you wouldn't be working, you wouldn't be moving. Enzymes are ridiculously important, and right now they're like tiny machines. And they are made of protein, okay? And this is very, very important, okay? So ribosomes, tiny machines that make proteins. We are going to have a look at what proteins are in more detail. Now, so we've looked at the nucleus. We looked at ribosomes like little dots right there. So a ribosome would be like a little dot right here. But actually, what's more interesting, a ribosome you would find here on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And it looks like all these foldy things like this. And the little dots on the rough endoplasmic reticulum are ribosomes. Okay. So they're ribosomes. But the thing I really want to talk about here is mitochondria. This is what releases the energy that we can use. And I love that word mitochondria. And this is it. Let's go here. Mitochondria. This is a mitochondria there. This is another mitochondria here. And it's a lovely thing I can tell you about mitochondria. These are different colors, but for no apparent reason, they would be the same. Here's a mitochondria. Plants have them as well. That is how we release energy. And when we looked at Mrs. Gren, one of the R's was for respiration. Okay, so where are we? Nucleolus makes the ribosomes, mitochondria done that, rough endoplasmic reticulum, it has ribosomes, and it helps make and move proteins. We looked at rough endoplasmic reticulum. I'll just show you it again. I showed you it. Where did I show you it? Oh, you'll see it here. Here is the rough endoplasmic reticulum as well. All right. So then you have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You don't really need to know it, but it makes fats and oils and cleans the cells. And it is very, very close to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, but it doesn't have ribosomes. You see it? It hasn't got little dots on it. All right. Ooh. Cytoplasm. That's the jelly-like stuff inside your cell. Right? So the cytoplasm is this stuff here, all this jelly-like stuff. Where was it? Well, it's right for plasma membrane. I like the term plasma membrane. You can call it cell membrane. It is the membrane around the outside of a cell. It actually exists inside a plant as well. It's right here. Is the cell membrane, the plasma membrane. Okay, microtubules, they give structure and shape and they help things move inside it. You don't need to know that. but it's nice as a little bit. Okay, extra parts in a plant cell only. A plant cell will have certain things. I'm going to underline them. They will have a cell wall. You don't have it. We have bones instead. They have a vacuole and they have a chloroplast. I'm going to change that to red. So a plant will have a cell wall. Animal cells, we are one, we don't. Vacuoles, plants have, and chloroplasts for photosynthesis. Okay, and actually, we're going to get rid of that. We don't need to know that. All right. So, which part is the control center of the cell? That's the nucleus. Which part? Oh God, who makes energy on this? You cannot make energy. Let's destroy the laws of physics. Releases energy. Oh dear Lord, who would put that on a worksheet? Makes energy. You cannot make or destroy energy. Welcome to physics. All right, which part releases energy? Which parts do plants have that animals don't with photosynthesis? That's chloroplasts. What does the Golgi apparatus do? Did I not mention the Golgi apparatus? Oh no, I did. Packs and delivers proteins. So what Golgi body or Golgi apparatus does? So your proteins are made here. And what your Golgi apparatus does is packs them and transports them out of the cell. Oh, I thought I did that one. Okie dokie. What stores water in plant cells? That would be the vacuole here. And it says large vacuole stores water, food, and waste. Helps the cell stay firm. Your first task, label the parts. It hasn't got everything on. All right. Label the parts of an animal or plant cell. Your second part, match. Which bit goes with which function? I'm hoping that's enough for the half an hour of work you need to do. If not, I'll add something else on. All right. Oh, look at that, 7 minutes.